What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Ryker TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Billet aluminum emergency brake lever. Mine's already installed, but I'm going to be uninstalling it to show you how it actually goes all together. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is unclip your air box. Pull that off. Put it safely to the side somewhere. And the next thing you want to do is get a Torx T30 bit. Almost everything on this bike is T30, T25, or T15. So you get a Torx T30 for here. Take that screw out. On the stock kit, this lever is plastic, so you're just going to pull this piece up a little bit, and you want to get an 8mm ratchet in there, and you just loosen all of the nuts in here. All of these panels are made out of plastic, so they're fairly flexible. You could actually take this screw out up here and take this whole panel off, but it's kind of a pain to get to that screw. So we're just gonna leave it on and flex this panel up. Once you get those 4 screws out, you pull this plastic piece off, and then that's what your actual brake lever is attached to. They give you a new bolt in the kit. Probably a good idea to tighten this before you get these 4 bolts back on in here, because once you get these 4 bolts back on and get this into place, it's really hard to get something in there to be able to tighten that lever. So you want to tighten that lever first. That's a Torx T20. Once you have that lever installed, that lever tightened down here, you want to get it pushed into this channel here. There's a little notch right here. There's a little notch right here that lines up with the notch inside the stock plastic. You want to line that up, push that in there really good. Then you could take this plastic piece, put that back over it. Take the 4 bolts, put them back in. Not going to take mine completely apart, but the plastic one actually attaches from there all the way to here. So you want to take the plastic one off, then reinstall the metal one, and you want to tighten this one down as much as you can before you actually put those bolts in, because once those bolts in, it's really hard to get anything right here to tighten this bolt. Once you start to get these 4 bolts in, you want to alternate. So start screwing this one in, then go across diagonally, screw this one in a bit, across diagonally this way, and just alternate each bolt. You don't want to tighten one down completely and then tighten the others. Just keep alternating the bolts so they're all snug down. Alright, so once they're all snug down pretty well, you don't want to over tighten them because they're just going into plastic again. So once those are all tightened down, you want to take this panel, it'll line up on the side here, pop that back down, take your original Torx T30. And then just tighten that cover back down. Again, don't over tighten this. Once you have this all attached, one of the best parts about the billet aluminum lever is not only is it a lot stronger, obviously, and it would be hard for somebody to snap this, but once you have it on and you actually go to lock the actual bike, it lines up every single time. All you got to do is push it all the way to the top and it lines up every time. With the plastic stock one, you kind of have to fiddle around to figure out where it's going to actually lock. The billet aluminum one, you push it all the way up and it locks every time. Last step is to just take your air box, get that lip on top of the other lip, clip the two clips together, and that's it, you're done. So that's it, just a quick install video of the billet aluminum lever. I didn't have the plastic one on in the first place, once again, because I already installed that. Just wanted to show a quick video of how this actually installs. So thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
One time like this, make it pop like